Oh yeah, there's bikers here. But look at this. They have two F3 RRs. This thing's super aggressive, sounds incredible. Looks like something straight out of Mad Max. Look at that, that's crazy. Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. We are on our way to Monkey Moto. Today they're having their grand opening. Should be a cool event. I'm not sure what kind of turnout to expect up here, but I know they're doing like demo rides and they're giving away an e-bike and stuff like that, so it should be pretty fun. If nothing else, it'll be an opportunity for us to meet some other dudes that are riding MVs. I love that curve, get a nice little lean in. When I was up here a few weeks ago to pick up my bike, they had a very exclusive MV motorcycle up here, and I'm excited to show it to you guys as long as it's still available and they haven't sold it yet. I'm sure it'll be up here. Oh yeah, there's bikers here. Quite a good turnout. This must be all the bikes that they're running for the demo rides. Got a Brutale 800 out here, Super Veloce, and I think they have a 1000. Yeah, it's this bike here. Somebody's on a little dragster over here. That's pretty cool color combination with the white wheels on it. It's RSV4 with Rizoma stealth mirrors. That looks sick. New gen. Look at what just rolled up and parked next to me. Ducati 999. I've never seen this bike before. Looks crazy. Look at the front end on this thing. It's a cool design. Anyways, I'll walk inside, show you guys some of the new bikes that they have in stock here. Hopefully this comes across good. I got the ND filter on here, so. A couple race bikes. F3 Rosso just like mine, except for fully factory. Got some Super Veloces, as well as some Brutales. These guys also have tons of riding gear and stuff in stock. They carry AGV Sport. I think that's actually their brand up here, so that's pretty cool. But look at this. They have two F3 RRs. These are the ones that have the Akrapovic exhaust system on them from the factory. So it's got the race kit. I really love this rear seat cowl. I need to get something like that for mine. And this is the bike that I was excited to show you guys. They haven't sold it yet. It's a Brutale 1000 Nürburgring edition. You guys have probably seen this on IMK's channel. He rode one of these real quick that was still during its break-in period. It's got the gold carbon fiber wheels on it, aero exhaust, low sling clip-ons up front. This thing's super aggressive, sounds incredible. And here's the matte finish F3 RR. Pop in here and walk through their shop real quick. They have a couple bikes on display. Aprilia RSV4 RF.
I did the Super Veloce, man. I've ridden it before.
One of our buddies has this bike that we ride with every once in a while. Sounds great. There's a dragster, I believe. Kind of a cool livery on this one. And then check this out. You don't see these very often, but this is an F4, so this is their inline 4-cylinder 1000cc bike. This thing looks super clean. Öhlins suspension, Termignoni exhaust system. I bet you this thing sounds badass. Love all the dry carbon fiber in here. Here's another 1000cc Brutale. This is the RS model. Suzuki Gixxer 1000, older generation bike. I don't know these very well, so I'm not going to guess at the age. There's an F3 RC, another dragster, few dragsters over here. And then you got Super Veloce and a Euro 4 F3. Cool display they have out here. This is their shop though. They keep this thing super clean in here. Very cool. I think they're just running demo rides all day today. So they got a bunch of people out on all the different MV models. Look at this crazy bike over here. God, I wonder if this thing runs. That is nuts.
What do you think?
Does this thing run?
Oh yeah.
Really?
He came over to me. He goes, "Does this thing run?"
Excuse me. Road here.
Really? That's crazy. That thing's crazy. Look at that. What is it?
It's a Kawasaki Vulcan.
Okay.
Got a few horns on it. Got the stock horn.
Wow. Looks like something straight out of Mad Max.
Absolutely.
Yeah. That's cool.
Flamethrower.
Let me see this. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy.
These are just made out of PVC I bought at Lowe's.
I got you.
That's all it is. And those are transmission funnels.
I got you.
So nothing scientific about them. You just gotta know how to put them together and make a diaphragm that'll work. Straight off of YouTube.
Yeah, that's neat.
Handles terrible.
It looks like it does. It looks like it does. That's wild. Very cool. All right, I'm gonna pop this helmet off. I'm getting hot. I'll catch back up with you guys when I roll out of here. Probably get a frozen banana or something real quick. All right, check this out. This is a huge turnout. Even more bikes have showed up. These guys are all about to go for a demo ride. Look at this guy. This thing is crazy. Wow. That is nuts. The Triumph doesn't sound bad. This is a full demo ride, completely full.